Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Under Seat Tote is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable travel companions for any frequent flyer or road warrior, designed to maximize your personal item allowance and keep your essentials within easy reach throughout your journey. Imagine breezing through the airport, your laptop, snacks, travel documents, and entertainment all neatly organized and accessible right beneath your seat, transforming a potentially stressful travel experience into a smooth and comfortable one. This isn't just about storage, it's about smart, efficient travel that saves you time and hassle, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip rather than rummaging through overhead bins or bulky carry-ons. Number 5. Sterilite 4-pack 56-quart wheeled latching box. Introducing a versatile storage solution designed to fit seamlessly under your bed or in closets. Its low-profile design and smooth rolling wheels make access a breeze. Keep your living space tidy with this spacious organizer. It's perfect for storing shoes, clothing, linens, and seasonal items, ensuring everything stays neatly contained. The secure latching lid provides easy one-handed access, protecting your belongings while keeping them within quick reach. Organization has never been simpler. With built-in wheels, this storage box glides effortlessly across floors. It's an ideal solution for bedrooms, dorm rooms, and apartments where space is at a premium. For generations, Sterilite has been dedicated to making life easier and more organized. Trust in our commitment to quality and functionality for your home. What we like? This one offers a low-profile design that easily slides under beds. Its secure latching lid keeps items protected and accessible with one hand. If you are looking for versatile storage for home or dorms, this is a great choice for keeping seasonal items or extra linens tidy. What people say? They work well and hold a lot. I like that you can see what's in them, lids close well, and they are a good weight quality. They are also stackable, if you desire. Super sturdy, and a 15-quart is a great size for organizing, bigger than a shoebox yet small enough to easily manage and handle. I love that the latches keep the lids on securely, yet are easy to flip on and off without struggle. Perfect for storing away my baby clothes, the wheels make it easier to slide and it's thin enough to stow away under beds. Very sturdy, the lid shuts fully, however if the bin is packed full it won't snap closed flush all the way. Number 4. Travelpro Maxlite 5 Underseat Carry-on Bag. This wheeled carry-on is designed for ultimate organization, mobility, and convenience. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, making travel a breeze. Crafted from stain-resistant polyester with a water-resistant coating, it's built to last. The interior lining is made from recycled plastics, offering an eco-friendly choice. Navigate through airports with ease thanks to its smooth-rolling inline skate wheels. The lightweight handle ensures a comfortable and stable grip for effortless rolling. Keep your belongings neatly organized with multiple compartments and pockets. It even features a padded sleeve to protect your electronics and a wet pocket for toiletries. Travel with confidence knowing it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Plus, the trusted companion promise covers airline damage for the first year. What we like? This carry-on is designed for ultimate organization and mobility, perfect for air travel. It's made from durable, eco-friendly materials with a water-resistant coating. If you're a frequent flyer who needs a reliable and organized bag for essentials and electronics, this is the one for you. What people say? The main compartment is versatile depending of using as a sole travel piece or additional. The two side pockets are great for small items for easy access during travel or a water bottle. The front pocket has compartments for charging cables and other small electronics. There is also a detachable shower compartment for toiletries. The wheels are well constructed and provide smooth roller travel on almost any hard surface including cobblestone. It holds a surprising amount of clothing, enough for a 4-day trip, with enough room for an extra pair of shoes. Plus there are great little side pockets to fit toiletries and extras. A front pocket is good for small electronics or whatever will fit. Inside is a pocket with padding designed to protect a large tablet or laptop. The toiletries bag is really nice, convenient, and has a hang hook to use in your hotel bathroom. The laptop sleeve is perfect size for my Microsoft Surface Pro. Number 3. Travelpro Maxlite 5 Rolling Underseat Tote. Experience travel like never before with this incredibly light rolling tote. It's designed to be half a pound lighter than previous models, making it perfect for your next flight. Crafted from stain-resistant polyester with a water-repellent coating, this bag is built to last. The interior lining is even made from recycled plastics, offering a sustainable choice. Navigate busy airports with ease thanks to the smooth rolling inline skate wheels. The lightweight telescoping handle ensures a comfortable and stable glide. Keep your essentials organized and within reach. Multiple pockets and a spacious interior make packing and accessing your belongings simple. This bag easily slides over the handle of larger luggage, making it the ideal travel companion. You can also use the top carry handle for alternative carrying options. Travel with confidence knowing it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Plus, the trusted companion promise covers airline damage for the first year. What we like? This Underseat Tote is even lighter than its predecessor, making it incredibly easy to maneuver. It features sustainable interior lining and versatile carrying options, including a rear strap for luggage. If you prioritize lightweight travel and eco-conscious design, this tote is an excellent companion for your journeys. What people say. Glides easily, lightweight and holds a lot. Along with a backpack, I was able to pack enough clothes to last me a week. It was very, very light, but I did pack light, enough that I could easily carry it with the handle and put it in the overhead bin. It also fit perfectly under my seat on an A320 when all the people with bigger suitcases took up all the overhead bin space. The quality is obvious. Zippers are perfect, rolls easily. The retractable handle worked perfectly. It rolls well. Has good capacity and is well made. It fit in the overhead on all of my flights with different equipment. It is great to put the stuff I want to have with me on the plane. Also, gave me some extra capacity for anything I would buy. Number 2. TOJNMAKE Reusable Grocery Bag on Wheels Shopping Trolley. Crafted from water-resistant polypropylene, this shopping bag is built for exceptional longevity. No matter how frequently you hit the store, it's designed to withstand the test of time. Equipped with 8 pockets and a zipper cover, it offers ample storage for all your essentials. Keep your groceries and personal items organized and secure during transport. With 5 robust handles, you can effortlessly transport your shopping items from the store to your car or home. It's perfect for shopping, groceries, picnics, and travel. This handy tote comes equipped with 4 stainless steel swivel wheels. They roll smoothly on nearly any surface, conquering uneven pavements and cracked sidewalks with ease. When not in use, it can be easily folded and stored away, saving valuable space. It's designed for apartment living, city living, and an on-the-go lifestyle. What we like? This rolling tote offers exceptional organization with its 8 pockets and a secure zipper cover. It's also foldable for easy storage, making it ideal for apartment living. If you need a convenient solution for grocery shopping, picnics, or travel that can handle uneven surfaces, this is a fantastic option. What people say. It's sturdy, well-made, and surprisingly spacious for a medium size. The wheels roll smoothly even when fully loaded, and I love that it can carry up to 46 pounds without feeling flimsy. The 8 pockets are super convenient for organizing smaller items, and the zipper cover keeps everything secure during trips. It holds all of my keychains and even the rack disassembled. Great for keeping things organized. Number 1. PracMedic Bags Extra Large Under Seat Rollator Bag. You deserve a durable and reliable tote for your rollator. It's made with top-of-the-range polyester fabric, ensuring you get the best value for your purchase. This extra-large bag provides plenty of room to hold your essentials while you're out and about. It's designed to fit perfectly with your 4-wheel rollator. Designed with functionality in mind, it features 4 internal pockets for easy access to your items. Keep your books, wallet, phone, and medical supplies organized. Have peace of mind knowing you have a sturdy bag to hold your essentials. The recommended load is no more than 11 pounds. Every aspect of this rollator bag is scrutinized during the engineering process. We ensure you receive a quality product that serves your needs. What we like? This extra-large bag is designed specifically for rollators, providing ample storage for medical essentials or shopping items. It features a reinforced base for stability and functional internal pockets for easy access. If you or a loved one uses a rollator and needs a reliable, spacious bag to carry necessities, this is the perfect fit. What people say. This is a great bag for travel. It fits under the seat in front of you on an airplane, and it has plenty of room for all your essentials. The bag is well made and durable. It has a lot of pockets and compartments, which makes it easy to stay organized. I love that this bag is lightweight and easy to carry. It has a telescoping handle and wheels, so you can roll it behind you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.